Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide apps on Samsung M35 device. Well, knowing how to hide apps on your device, you can maintain privacy, enhance security, organize your apps efficiently, control access to certain content, and customize your device layout to suit your preferences. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the process, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, next please scroll down and select the home screen option. Well, within this page, navigate further to locate the specific settings for hiding application on your device. Here. And then you can select the application you wish to conceal, such as the camera app. And once you have made your selection, you can click on Done to confirm your choice. Okay, after that, verify the changes by checking the home screen of your device. Okay, you should now notice that the camera application has been successfully hidden from view. This method allows you to customize the visibility of application on your device according to your needs. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide apps on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.